Hi, my name is Danny Duran with Cisco TAC. Today, we're going to talk about how to set CUIC user permissions. First, log into your CUIC server, select Configure to see your user lists. Choose a newly configured user from this list and select Run As. Next, select Reports and Stock, and you'll notice there you have no permissions for this folder. With this information, go ahead and stop running as that user and fall back on your super user to look at the permissions for this user. Select User Permissions and Reports. Work your way down the reports tree to get to the folder you wish to have access to. Give this user View and Edit, or View depending on your request for this user, and select Confirm. Next, run as this user and try to access that report. You notice you still get the error. Why? Because you need to work your way back up the tree. The whole path needs to be given to this user to have full permissions to this report. So now we're at the location that you have permissions to. Now work your way up, giving those same permissions to the previous report folder locations. With these permissions set, you can now log on as that user and have permissions to the reports. Thank you for watching.